Okay.
And it stopped.
Okay.
Just right there. That's not programmed right. We'll have to change that.
Okay. Ours waits a really long time before it does anything.
Do something.
So it's a bit in like 5 seconds.
Bro.
Too far.
Is that a penalty?
No, I don't think so.
Pray not.
Pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
The battery's cooked. I can't even turn. Yeah, okay. That battery was fresh, so it was fresh off the charger. Actually, no.
Don't know what happened to them. All right, do we just want to try firing?
It seems like it's dead.
Okay, start it. Pump it.
Nice.
Crap.
We're stuck.
Purple, green, purple.
Okay,
I'm stopping our launcher.
okay, abort.
Our battery's cooked.
Our thing is stuck.
Okay, we're push bot mode.
We were
Hey, maybe try and toss something in there, John. Launch it.
Okay.
It's because the green one on the top
Drop it
is
on
pushing that in.
Oh, no.
The green one on the top is
And I
pushing
can
that.
put in the fourth one.
Green, purple.
Guys, we're jammed.
Damn.
See if the bump here, because we're very slow right
And our battery's
now. Our
dead.
battery's dead.
If you bump us hard enough, it might work.
Yeah, I grabbed the battery off the charger. Dead.
Our charger's not
Okay,
dead.
you want to give us a ram?
Along with the battery.
We can barely move.
Can you just try and push those balls
Someone
into that
just ejected a screw.
Push them against the goal.
Uh-oh, that might have been ours.
No.
So have you tried just knocking yourself against
Yeah,
the
you
wall?
still get points if you score. We can't do anything.
Okay, just keep shooting. Keep going.
Just try your best to
Major
push.
boil.
So are you still logged?
Yeah, that green ball is pushing the purple on the bottom to the back, so it's not able to go forward into it.
Oh, timer's almost up. I was just hitting your spot against the wall.
Stand in the box. Stand in the box.
Yeah, we're off.
We gotta wait like
Ours waits a little bit.
10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Don't skip.
Maybe 15 seconds?
Don't skip.
3, 2, 1.
Go.
You can take off that weight. It doesn't have to wait 10 seconds.
We do it so we don't run into other robots.
Just take it out. Take it.
All right.
Okay, go launcher. Go, go, go.
We don't have ideal bumpers. We don't have ideal bumpers. They're not working. Bumpers are not working.
Okay, we need,
It's gonna start and it's gonna probably immediately start shooting.
Need it to the green up there. Miss the purple and triangle green. Or hit the purple and triangle green.
just give us once.
faster robot.
Yes.
Give us like
Give us like 30 minutes and the autonomous will go.
Give us like 10 more hours.
I've seen it too. That's a mechanical wheel.
It's fine.
Yep.
Just give us that.
Use your brake. As many as you can, whatever.
Just. Just give us a blank spin.
Yeah, our autonomous takes a little bit.
No, that's touching the wall.
Give us about 10 more seconds.
Okay, ours waits a little bit, so.
Straight over. Straight over. Straight over. Okay, I'm sorry.
Hey, get ready.
Go forward. Go in there.
stop it.